Are you ready to take your Gmail productivity to the next level? Today, I'm going to show you how to use Gmail with Google Tasks to turn your emails into actionable tasks, complete with notes and due dates. This simple integration can streamline your workflow, helping you stay organized and on top of everything right from your inbox. Start by opening Gmail and logging into your account. Once your inbox is up, focus on the right-hand side of the screen. You'll see a small blue check mark icon. This is Google Tasks. This little tool is the key to turning your emails into tasks. Next, choose the email you want to turn into a task. Open it and look at the top toolbar for the three vertical dots, the More Options menu. Click it and select Add to Tasks. Just like that, your email becomes a task. To view it, click the Google Tasks icon on the right. Here, you'll see all your tasks, including the one you just added. The task will show the email's subject line, giving you a clear reference to what it's about. But don't stop there. You can make it even more useful. Click Add Details. Below the task, to include any extra notes like project deadlines or meeting agendas. This ensures every task is thorough and easy to manage. Now, when a task is complete, simply check the circle next to it. This marks it as done and moves it to your completed list, keeping your current tasks organized and giving you a satisfying record of what you've accomplished. By following these steps, you can efficiently integrate Gmail with Google Tasks, adding notes, due dates, and keeping your inbox organized like a pro. Small changes like this can make a big difference in productivity. Give it a try and experience the difference in your workflow. Thanks for watching, and remember, stay organized, stay productive, and let Google Tasks help you get more done.